Hey guys, hello guys and welcome back. And today I'm going to be filming the 1-2 buckle my shoe meme, but in different years. So I'll be setting this up in a sec. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to get it up now.
There's a brand new 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Ooh, that is so fire! Bro, come over here. Check out my new shoes. There's a brand new 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. That is so fire! Yo, bro, come over here. Check out my new shoes. There's a brand new 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Ooh, that is so fire! Bro, come over here. Check out my new shoes. There's a brand new 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Ooh, that is so fire!
Classic movie theme in just
Bro,
a minute.
come over here. Check out my new shoes. There's a brand new 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Ooh, that is so fire!
Yep, Sean Hawkins will be here Saturday and Sunday next week with beautifully relaxing music, ideal for helping your pets. It's important to use this time actually to prepare your pets for next weekend. So we've teamed up with the
Okay everyone, that's going to be
advice for you.
2 more memes in different years. So yeah, that's going to be the end of this video. So thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed what have you seen here, then please leave a like on my video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, it's Ape. I haven't filmed. I was gonna film the 1-2 back of my shoe, but I thought I'll film the ones in different years, and I turned the volume up so you can hear it now. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care all.